In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up phone number OTP login for Shopify Store. By the end, you'll have phone number login with one-time passwords ready to go, making sign-in smoother and more secure for your customers. OTP stands for one-time password, which is a short code sent to a phone number to confirm identity. It's a great way to reduce password fatigue and help legitimate shoppers get in quickly while keeping unwanted access out. Start by opening your Shopify store in your browser and signing into your Shopify admin. You should be looking at your main dashboard where you manage products, orders, and settings. From here, locate your store name at the top of the page. Click your store name to enter the area where your store's core details live. This is where you manage basic information that affects how customers interact with your brand. Once you're in, look for the General section and scroll down. The general area typically includes your store name, contact details, and other foundational settings. Keep scrolling until you find the phone number options. You're looking for the option to add a phone number. Click on Add Phone Number. This is the number customers will use to receive OTP codes, so it needs to be able to receive text messages reliably. Next, select the country for the phone number. This ensures the correct country code is applied automatically. Double-check that you're selecting the right region so SMS delivery is consistent. Then, enter the phone number carefully. Make sure it includes the full area code and that it's a number that can receive SMS. Avoid extensions or special characters beyond what's required by the format. Take a moment to confirm the digits are correct. Typos here can prevent codes from arriving. When you're confident the information is accurate, click Add. That's it. Your phone number is now in place for OTP login. This small change can significantly improve the login experience by replacing or complementing traditional passwords with a quick texted code. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Use a number you or your team can access at all times, especially during peak hours. If you support customers across regions, choosing a number local to your primary audience can help with message reliability. And if you don't immediately see the phone number option under General, your account layout may differ. In that case, check your store details area or contact Shopify support for guidance. You've now set up phone number OTP login for your Shopify store. Save your changes and you're ready to go.